This 2020 Dutchmen Kodiak Ultra-Lite Ultra-Lite 296 BHSL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10, awning, oven, refrigerator, slide-out, LP detector, stovetop burner, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, DVD player, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Dutchmen Kodiak Ultra-Lite Ultra-Lite 296 BHSL is 6,006 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.